All right. So let's start with Sonic here. So he's going to be, and we're going to make him look kind of like a meteor. It's going to curve right here, curve up. He's in ball form, but he's kind of moving downward. So we're going to give him this type of shape, almost like a fireball kind of shape going on. And that's going to be essentially Sonic. And we're going to put stuff around him in a bit, but it's a cool scene in the movie where he, is taking on Knuckles and kind of like driving him into the ground. So it's a pretty cool scene. So right here, let's have Knuckles curve right there through Knuckles' chest, because Knuckles' head's going to be back here. All right, let's go over here and fold back. Going to be kind of where his legs, and his head's going to be on this side, his legs on that side, as he's getting hit into the cement there. Excuse me. Now over here on this side, we're going to draw his head, kind of remember this is a movie version, right? So his face is going to be up here. Nose is going to be over here. And curve right here. Fill in that nose, just completely fill it in. It's kind of hard drawing this upside down, but draw a line here, curve. And since he's getting hit, it's just going to be like his eyelids are closed, right? Let's go over here to the front of his face, curve back. Before we go on anymore, we're going to go over here to this side. And I'm going to draw his arm coming out a little bit because he's getting hit. And I'm putting a little bit of a zigzag in here because it's the movie version. He's got more fur on him. All right. Curve over here. Curve over here for his hair. And then underneath here, you're going to have like his back. Right there. And we're going to have downward, his tail up. Over here, you're going to see the other part of his leg. Kind of go out a little bit. And you can kind of make that fuzzy as well, because again, we're doing a movie version. Line across for his shoe, out. So before we do anything else, I really want to make, so we have a curve line over here. Down, he's got these kind of, almost like it's like the cuff. Curve over here. And we're going to have his glove over here out. Line over here. On this side of his glove, line. Curve. So before that, I want to start putting in his hair, okay? Line over here. And you're going to see kind of the tendrils kind of coming out a little bit here. Line over here. Line over here. Excuse me. Sorry about that cough. Let's go to the mouth area. Line over there. Line above here. It's kind of like gritting his teeth a bit. Down, curve. And then out for his foot. Right there. Over here, let's go back. Down, curve. Then over here, out, curve up. All right. Still has his hair that his tendrils are gonna come over here. A line over here. They're coming out the back, and then one over here. And let's not forget this one over here. Let's go over here and draw the curve, the crescent on his chest. And so something I really want to do is I want to put a lot of the dirt. So he's being grounded into the ground. So right here I'm going to go line. Over here it's like a hill. And over on this side, it's not really going to be a line. This one's going to be like a mountain area. Same thing on this side. Because the floor is being kind of destroyed around him. And that's kind of the whole point to this. That little rocks, say something like that. Little rocks are just floating around as Sonic is, is beating him into the ground essentially, which is like he's zooming into him. And honestly, for the rocks, there's not a lot of rhyme and reason. I'm literally just doing larger shapes, then smaller shapes, and then really, really, really small shapes, like little dust almost. Right? So it's big, medium, small. And I'm not really putting them, I'm not copying them exactly or anything from the, the movie. I'm just kind of like doing them like, okay, I just remember generally he's being beaten up into the ground. Right? And so I'm just kind of throwing these rocks around here to kind of give that impression. And you can kind of throw edges on these rocks. Right here, as much as you want, because he's kind of bouncing off the concrete there or whatever it is. Not concrete, sorry. It's I forgot where it was. It was like this underground area right there. It looked like a temple or something. But I believe it's just the dirt. And then you could have like little tiny dots right there coming out like as he's like spitting. So let's make this a little bit more understandable. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give Knuckles just his body a thicker line around his body because I want it to be more clear that he is in this. Right? Otherwise, he won't stand out as much. And I want the viewer to be more aware of what's going on. And the idea is you want easy readability, right? You want it to read very simply and easily. That's the whole point. If there's another scene from Sonic or maybe a scene from, I don't know, Godzilla movie you want me to draw, let me know. This one I'm making it, even though I'm tracing it, I guess I'm making it a little bit less fuzzy, right, the lines. For his shoe, he had a couple of things on here, but we can just simplify it like this. If you want, you can draw that bottom part of his shoe as well. Trying to give it a more simple line art, the simple line art treatment. And let's go on maybe the gritting of the teeth there. Like, no, he's getting hit into the ground, But we want it to make it look like it's bouncing a little bit, so we want maybe more rocks over here. Right, like, and then for Sonic, you can always draw a little bit more of a, even as corny as that is, speed lines, right? Like he's hitting him, right? To give it some sense of motion. And then you can always draw thinner lines in the angles of the rocks. And that's always going to help. That will always, always, always help. There you go. That's a scene. Sonic driving Knuckles into the ground. Alrighty. See you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.